Look, what you got?
Swords.
S'mores, all right?
Yeah.
All right, Max S'mores.
Yeah, Max
All right,
s'mores.
show us how to make this thing, man. Show
We
us how
first get 2 graham crackers, then
to... We gotta back it up. Mellows first, man. Ain't the Mellows first? Talk to me.
Mellows. This is what I dressed up as.
Mellow, marshmallow, huh?
I dressed up as a unicorn. Then you just
Put them on, squeeze them, remember, squeeze them together. Squeeze them together and put them in the end. Squeeze them together and put them into the end. Little trick, go ahead.
And
Squeeze them and then put them to the end. On the end, right there.
mine's is good.
All right, let's go.
Mine is good too.
All right, let's go. What y'all got? Show me, show me.
Really? Oh, it didn't even catch a fire.
That's all right.
I guess you're the left one then. Whoa.
Pull it to you. Pull it to you. There you go.
Whoa,
Pull it
mine's
to you.
toasty.
Throw it up.
Mine's
All right,
toasty.
we good? We ready?
Yes, it is. I'm not ready.
All right.
I'm just gonna be working up
Alright.
here. Sorry, Mellow.
So put the get 2 sides first. You supposed to take it off with the graham crackers.
Yeah, but mine is definitely ready.
All right.
Whatever.
All right. Put your chocolate on.
I'm just take a Hershey. Hershey. All I need to
Press
do.
it down with your other graham cracker, Kelly.
Oh, that's gonna push my chocolate down.
There you go.
Ah! Ah!
Yeah. Okay.
There you
We good. We good. Smash that thing down there. All right. So we got what? We got Hershey. We got Twix, and we got Kit Kat.
Yeah.
All right. What you got? What you eating breakfast, bud?
Hershey.
Hershey.
That won't
right.
stick together. Ah!
Squeeze that thing. Squeeze that thing down. Squeeze that thing down.
Oh, God.
Squeeze
Sorry,
it
Mellow
down.
friend.
All right. Talk to me. Tastes like a million. Tastes like a million. $1 million on there.
Yum,
All right,
yum.
what you got first, Kelly? That's a Kit Kat?
Yeah.
All right, put it on top. Squeeze that thing down.
Almost there. Yeah, I did it.
Good. Squeeze it. There you go. Right into that million. Talk to me. Look. How it taste? Million?
A trillion.
Trillion, huh? Trillion.
If you go 100 to a 900 trillion, you don't even know.
You got it?
I am doing this.
New marshmallows?
Marshmallow. I kind of like stretching it out.
Nah, it's straight. That'll work. You got it? Squeeze them together.
He was marshmallow for Halloween anyways.
Look, we vets. Y'all vets. You know what vets are?
No.
What I mean? That means y'all veterans. That means y'all been around the block. That means y'all done did this before. I mean, y'all ain't new to this. Y'all true to this.
That's so yummy. I'm gonna do
Rotate that thing, huh? There you go.
toasted.
Get the other side. Get the other side. Get that marvelous.
Whoa, one blow. This one's out.
Easy, ready?
Yeah, I gotta do this one. One blow out. Need more. Okay, this is
All right, that thing gonna melt quick.
I got mine.
All
One more.
right, what you doing this time?
I'm doing Kit Kat.
You can do Kit Kat. All right, so squeeze it off with your
I'm
other side.
done.
You can squeeze it off with your other graham cracker. Get your other graham cracker, and then squeeze it off like that. Watch out, Kelly. Be patient. Let him clear the marshmallow first. There you go.
Yeah, I take it.
Set that on there. Make sure it's on there. Drop your chocolate on there.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat ball.
Good. You got another thing, sir.
Are we doing the microwave?
No, I'm not have to.
Okay.
We can if I want to.
Yeah, okay.
Show them off ways. So decided on Kit Kat this time. And then you gotta press that down here. And Callie, you doing Twix. Callie, you did Twix last time?
Yeah.
Why you doing Twix again then? Let's put that back. Try some
You
now.
were doing Kit Kat.
Try some
Like
now.
you did Kit Kat. You're not doing Hershey?
Let's do Hershey.
Crack it. Any Twix possible, but it needs to be cracked.
always these type of crabs.
I can't get this. Oh, there we go.
Squeeze it on there.
Time to squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Wow, my marshmallow.
We gotta toast the next round. We gotta get the marshmallows really soft, so they like creamy.
Creamy. So is this?
So as soon as you squeeze down on that thing, but it's good though. It's good.
A billion.
I'm
It's
not
good.
like mine.
It's good.
Okay. This one is a million.
Straight.
Yeah. A million for this one. Trillion.
Straight. All right, you have it. It should stay up there. Is it up there?
Yep.
Hold on. Okay.
All right, go about 10 seconds. About 11, 12 seconds maybe. Ooh, stop it, stop it. All right, put your marshmallow like on top. It's folding off.
Oh. Wow, it's soft.
Put it on top. All
The
right,
dreads is the right.
good. There we go. It ain't nothing. It should, when you know when it's good, when the marshmallow is about to, like it looks like it's about to explode.
Does that look like it's about to?
Yeah, you get
Oh
it.
my
You
God.
feel me. All right, take that thing
It
out.
was so giant.
Let's try to get your other, put it on, and then get your other grandpa.
Okay.
I got you.
It's gonna be so funny.
I got you. You're gonna smash that thing down. And the good thing about the microwave is that it melts the cheese, it melts the chocolate too.
Wow. So soft.
So he's infatuated with the marshmallow. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, marshmallow. See the softest? That.
The thing's banging. Let me see the back side. Let me see the back. Let me see the back.
Daddy, can mommy have
Okay, I
the?
see.
Can mommy have the
All right, so what we doing? What we doing? How we gonna make this one?
in the microwave?
All right, why we use the microwave? Why we use the microwave? In case what?
If you can't use the oven.
Right. If you don't have gas stove, gas fire, gas, no campfire. All right, you can use the microwave. You can use the microwave too.
Yeah.
All right, show me.
And watch.
Show it. How you do
So I
it?
have to get
How you do it? Put on that little one. Put it on a little plate. Yep, graham cracker, then marshmallow.
Then you have to put some marshmallow.
Or you can do it. You want to?
I'm doing my supper.
Let's put Let's do it like that.
Ah.
All right.
So I have to
Put a piece of chocolate. You need a piece of chocolate.
I'm gonna use. Put it like this, Daddy?
Yeah, you can put it like that. Either or.
I'm just gonna squish my marshmallow.
You ain't got to. Just let it do what it do.
And then I'm doing.
Callie,
Oh,
go
yeah.
inside. How you get it? Let Callie go. Go ahead, Callie.
Yeah, just again.
All right, put the chocolate on top, and then let's pop that in. Let's move this one out the way. Let's pop that in the microwave.
It's fine.
You straight?
Yep, it's straight. And it's all together.
Okay, let's put the chocolate down on the bottom.
Yeah.
Let's put the chocolate on the bottom.
Chocolate on the bottom.
Like that. And then we do it like that.
Squeeze it.
You ain't gotta squeeze it. It's gonna sit right there. All right, right there in the middle. Carry it gently. All right, couple seconds. Here, give me that. Give me that. I'm sorry, I put couple seconds. It's already on 39 seconds. Just push start. Go ahead.
That's like warming up. Or
When it gets to like 29,
29. Oh, wait. 29.
that marshmallow should be
29.
about to explode. Did it get soft? Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
Oh, we just eat this. Oh my.
Did it get soft?
Whoa.
Is it soft?
It is so squishy.
Let's put our other,
It's like a big marshmallow blob.
put your other side on there.
I'm about to do mine.
Hold on. Can she finish this one?
Yeah.
Where the other side, Kelly? Kelly, put the other side.
No, it's so squishy. And now let's squeeze it down.
Alright, so you got a s'more made in the microwave. No gas needed. No gas stove needed. Still the same good taste. Still taste. You just eat. Ooh, and the chocolate melted. Look at that. Ooh, I got the zoom in. Ooh.
It's got purple oatmeal.
Ooh. I All right, we good. All right,
That's
bang,
like
bang.